Welcome to Idency's ZKTeco VF380 installation and user setup guide. Introduction. In this video we will show you how to initially set up your time and attendance device and connect it to the ClockReports software. Powering the device. From the contents of the box you will need the power adapter, the device and the wall mount. Be aware when installing the wall mount that the device has an anti-tamper alarm fitted to it. So the wall mount bracket will need to be on the back of the device so that the alarm does not set off during startup. To power the device, plug the power adapter into the device and then plug the adapter into a standard UK plug socket. Also connect the Ethernet cable to the device. This Ethernet cable needs to be plugged into your network and then into your device. The device will then power up and you will have to continue the setup. As the VF380 is a touchscreen, using the stylus provided or your finger, you can navigate around the appropriate icons in the menus with ease. Now that the device is powered on and before we connect the device to ClockReports, we need to make sure that the device is configured to sit on your network and is accessible by the software. Configuring the device. First log in the VF380's admin account and then click on the button named COM. Once you're in the communication settings, you will see that the device already has an IP address. You will need to get in touch with your IT department and ask them to assign a device an IP, as it will need to be static for the device to sync to the software. To change the address, simply click on the current IP address and it will give you the ability to change it. This principle is the same for all settings on the device. You will also need to add the gateway to your device. Your IT department will be able to provide you this information. Next, you will need to take note of the IP address as we will need to add it into the ClockReports software. Set the device ID to a specific value for this device. If this is your second device, then set it to 2, etc. Once this is done, we need to go back to the computer or server so that we can pair the device to the software ClockReports. Connecting to ClockReports. Now that the device is on your network and ClockReports is installed on the computer, they can both be paired together. When ClockReports is opened and no devices are connected, it will always open with the Add Device pop-up. To connect to the ZKTeco VF380, we need to go to the drop-down list and select it from the list of devices. Now enter the serial number of your device. You can find it on the back side of the device near the connectors. Once entered, press Submit to proceed to the next step. Device setup in ClockReports. On this screen you can put the IP address and location of the device in the field so that ClockReports can pair with the device. Do not change the device ID number. The only time the device ID number needs to be changed is if you're using more than one clocking device. Once you have entered in all of the information correctly, click Save and then proceed to click on Sync Device. It will show that it is connecting to the ZKTeco VF380 successfully on the screen and will download any data that has already been entered if set up correctly. For more information, please contact us at Idency on 01252 727 103 or visit our website at idency.com. You can also request a written ZKTeco VF380 user setup guide from us.